I'm here with a multi-talented Tina Fey, who knew she's also a cooking teacher. So, are you going to show me how to make your Greek potatoes?
I'm going to try, I am. I might be mono-talented, so we'll find out.
So we're starting out with Idaho potatoes.
3 pounds of Idaho potatoes, and we just are basically...
Nice little delicate wedges, just a little something.
Yeah, just a little something.
Like real.
You're like, I only had one bite, but it's a quarter of a full-size potato. This is nobody's business what size your potatoes are, but they soak up so much flavor. They're not like the most jazzy recipe, but oh man, they're so good.
Can't wait.
Okay, so this is some chicken broth,
Okay.
third of a cup. Then this is lemon juice.
Yeah, every Greek thing has lemon juice in it,
Every
right?
Greek thing has lemon juice in it.
And this is lemon zest?
Yeah, zest of 2 lemons.
That's a lot of lemon zest.
Beautiful. Yeah, you really want
But it's
the
a lot
lemon.
of potatoes, too.
Yeah, third of a cup.
How much
of
fun is
olive
this?
oil. All right, a teaspoon of, these are all teaspoons, right? Am I right? These are teaspoons?
That's a teaspoon.
Teaspoon of pepper. Goink.
Are you left-handed?
I am.
Oh,
Wouldn't it be
that's great.
crazy if I was like, I'm not, I'm just so nervous. I'm just so excited to be here, I forgot I was right-handed. Oregano.
And you know, I'll show you what I do with oregano before you put it in.
Okay.
So
What do you
I'm going to take this tablespoon. And I actually crush it between my hands.
Ooh, to get the...
It gets, it really brings the flavor out.
That's
And there's
smart.
something about dried oregano versus fresh. Fresh is very, so strong. It overwhelms everything. And then garlic. This
think
is
it's
like
like
classic Greek cooking,
Yeah.
isn't it? Oregano, lemon, garlic.
Yeah.
It's just perfect.
You could put this on anything, really. You could carton of cigarettes. If you poured this on it and baked it, it'd be delicious.
So you just pour it over the
Just
whole
pour it
thing?
over there and we'll kind of toss it around.
When it comes to entertaining and cooking like Thanksgiving, who cooks in your house?
Jeff is kind of the head cook,
Yeah.
but I become the stage manager. Can I do this with my hands? Would that be bad?
Absolutely. Somebody has to have the organization down.
Making
It's like,
charts.
yeah. Do you make a chart?
Yeah, on Thanksgiving especially.
You have to know what's coming out of the oven and what's
Right.
going in the oven and when. And
Yeah.
Yeah. I love Thanksgiving, but you have to organize it.
Yeah, and my husband's very creative cook, and he'll be like halfway through the day, be like, should I also do a ham? And I'm like, absolutely not.
Oh,
Okay, I think that got enough of that liquid
that's
on there.
great.
Okay, so now we're gonna put this in 450-degree oven for 50 minutes and shake it up, turn them over halfway through.
These are going to be so good. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make the chicken.
Okay, great.
So the key to cooking chicken and making sure it's really browned and crisp is to make sure it's dry before it goes in the pan. So I just use paper towels. Make sure it's really, really dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make chicken with mustard sauce. And I start with the chicken thighs.
Okay.
And lots of salt and pepper.
Are they boneless or they have bones?
They have bones in them, yeah. I think it keeps them much more moist. Okay, and then I turn them over, season on the other side. Okay, so want to hand me some olive oil?
Yeah.
There we go. I'm just going to think this is a big enough pan for chicken for two?
That's a gorgeous pan, by the way.
Okay, so I'm going to do skin side down.
Okay.
Let's put it right in and not move it.
Right.
And then it doesn't stick. That's going to cook for 15 minutes without moving it.
Okay.
And in the meantime, while that cooks, you think we'll be able to find something fun to talk about?
I think we'll
I
find
don't know.
something. We'll figure it out. We'll just sit in silence. It'll be a
That's not gonna happen.
tense silence.
Okay, so here's where I am with the chicken.
Beautiful.
So I put onions in the pan and I turn the chicken over. They're perfectly browned. And now I'm going to take the chicken out. Don't want to overcook it. And I'm going to make a sauce. So I used to joke that I could just like saute onions in the pan and serve Jeffrey a sandwich from the deli. And he would think I
You'd be like,
cooked
"This
all
is so
day.
good."
And now, you want to hand me the wine?
Yes.
So I'm going to put some wine in the pan.
Okay.
And I'm going to make a cream sauce.
This is technically STEM, what you're doing. This is science right now.
That's science.
Yeah.
I think we need 2 glasses of wine.
I think
too,
we
don't
do.
you? And then I'm going to put in a tablespoon of mustard, just good Dijon mustard, tablespoon of coarse mustard, so you
Ooh.
know what's in it. That's perfect. 8 ounces of creme fraiche. And I love creme fraiche. It's got that little bite. Is there a whisk here? There's a whisk right in that. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you, chef.
Yes, chef. Right away, chef.
We're like in an episode of The Bear now.
Yeah, because we've been screaming at each other. Oh, come on, Adam, what the hell going on?
And then I'm going to put the chicken back in so the flavor of the sauce gets into the chicken and it reheats it. Okay, this is going to come in here. You can do the easy way or the hard way.
Which is this?
This is something in between. Okay, so that's just going to reheat and cook a little bit.
I feel compelled to bust this for you.
Oh, you can bust that.
Yeah,
thank you very much.
I work for tips.
So you think your potatoes are ready?
I think so. Let's try it.
So good.
Yeah, okay, good. They're nice and brown.
Those look and smell so good.
Yeah. There you go. That's delicious. A little parsley, right, to be classy.
And I love they have, do you have sliced lemons on it?
Yeah, that's the thing. You know, I learned that move from you. You want to.
You did?
You want to show what it's going to taste like, right?
Yeah, are we ready to plate this?
Absolutely. Use this guy, I guess, yeah?
Potatoes first.
Now, a serving is 14 potatoes in my world. You know, I have to give you 3 potatoes because comedy, it's a rule of 3s.
Oh,
So I can't give you, I
rule
can't.
in design is 3 too.
Yeah.
Yeah, you,
So-
you have to have an odd number of everything.
Yeah.
So what's 3 in comedy?
If there's something like a gag happening in a show, you know, like if you repeat it, you should repeat it 3 times.
Oh, that's
for
so
it to
interesting.
work.
I had no idea. Now I'm going
Yeah.
to look for it.
Rule of 3s. All right, look at that. Holy
How's that?
moly. Holy moly. Look at that business.
A little parsley.
Yeah.
And I think dinner's served.
Perfect. Beautiful.
I love
We're gonna
Chablis.
get into this right here.
Okay, I'm tasting your potatoes.
This is a high pressure moment.
They're so good.
They're good.
They're so good. They're delicious.
Yay. But this sauce seems easy. Okay, here I go. Ready?
Yeah, the sauce is really easy.
Disgusting.
Oh my God, I'm going to kill myself. She hates it.
It's so good.
Not bad.
The highest form of praise.
Highest form of praise.